If you have $20,000 in credit card debt and it feels like you're drowning in interest, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Because most Americans try to pay off debt the wrong way, and it keeps them stuck for years. Today, I'm going to show you a clear, step-by-step plan to destroy $20,000 in credit card debt as fast as possible, even if you don't make six figures. Let's get into it. First, understand this. Credit card debt is expensive because of interest. The average credit card APR in America is over 20%. That means if you owe $20,000, you could be paying $4,000 per year just in interest alone. If you're only making minimum payments, you're basically running on a treadmill, working hard but going nowhere. So step one is simple. We stop the bleeding. Step one, stop using the cards. This sounds obvious, but it's critical. You cannot pay off debt while adding new debt. Put the cards away. Remove them from Apple Pay. Freeze them if you have to. From this moment forward, you switch to debit or cash. No exceptions. Step two, lower the interest. This is where most people mess up. You need to reduce your interest rate immediately. Here are three options. Call your credit card company and ask for a lower APR. Transfer your balance to a 0% balance transfer card. Consider a personal loan with lower interest. If you move $20,000 from 22% interest to 0% for 18 months, you could save thousands of dollars. Interest is your enemy. Lower it first. Step three, choose your payoff strategy. There are two powerful methods. The Snowball method, pay off the smallest balance first for quick wins. The Avalanche method, pay off the highest interest rate first to save the most money. If you're motivated by progress, choose Snowball. If you care about math and savings, choose Avalanche. Either works, just pick one and commit. Step four, find extra $500, $1,000 per month. This is where speed happens. If you only pay an extra $100 per month, it'll take forever. You need intensity for a short period. Ways to find extra money fast: cut subscriptions. Pause eating out. Sell things you don't use. Pick up a side hustle. Work overtime. If you throw an extra $800 per month at $20,000 debt, you could be debt-free in around 18-24 months instead of 7+ years. Temporary sacrifice, permanent freedom. Step 5, track progress weekly. Most people quit because they don't see progress. Track your total debt every week. Watch it drop. Celebrate milestones: 18K, 15K, 10K, 5K. Momentum builds confidence. Step 6, do not ignore statements. Take cash advances. Keep applying for new cards. Only pay minimums. Minimum payments are a trap. Here's the truth. $20,000 feels overwhelming. But it's not impossible. Thousands of Americans have paid off far more. The formula is simple. Stop adding debt, lower interest, attack aggressively, stay consistent. And one day you'll make your final payment. That moment, freedom. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical money strategies. And comment below, how much debt are you working to pay off? Let's build wealth together.